Lauren with AdvantageLumber.com, and this is the eBay Clip Standard Black Deck Fastener. When securing your new deck, you need to use top-rated fasteners. eBay Clip Standard Deck Fasteners provide you with a fiberglass reinforced material that is up to 3 times stronger than traditional fasteners. These standard clips are perfect for your air-dry decking. eBay Clip Standard Black Deck Fastener fits perfectly with eBay, Tigerwood, or Master & Duba for a truly seamless look. These fasteners are installed at a 45-degree angle on one side of the board. This method allows for the hardwood to expand and contract naturally along its width while maintaining even gap spacing of up to 3/32 of an inch. Each eBay Clip Standard Complete Kit includes 175 eBay Clip Standard Hidden Deck Fasteners, 190 stainless steel T15 star drive screws, 12 3/8 of an inch tapered eBay plugs, 1 1/8 of an inch high-speed drill bit, 1 screw gun driver bit, and a handy how-to manual. Shipping is available worldwide to your home or job site, making it easier than ever to order your new decking materials. Call or visit AdvantageLumber.com today to order your eBay Clip Standard Black Deck Fastener.